everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to start up Wix for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar you can simply search for Wix and then hit enter on your keyboard. Hit install right next to Wix. Once you have installed Wix on your device, you can head over to your app drawer on your device and then search for Wix in the search bar. Open up Wix on your device. To inside the app, you can simply hit get started, or you already have a Wix account. If you already have a Wix account, hit I already have a Wix account, else hit get started. Here you can either continue with Google, Facebook, or sign up with email. For now, we're going to be tapping on sign up with email. You can enter your email address over here. I've got autofill enabled, so I'm going to use autofill to fill in my email address, hit continue, after which you'll be sent a link in your email address. Open the email app on your device to click on the link, after which you'll have to follow the on-screen instructions to sign up into Wix, and then your account will be set and ready to go. If you already have an account, you can head back over to the home screen and then simply tap on I already have an account. Here you can continue with Google or Facebook if you have linked your account with any one of these, or you can hit login with email and enter your email address, after which a link will be sent to you for you to log in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down